Welcome to LawSnoop, where we break down legal myths and uncover the truth behind complex cases. Today's topic is truck accident evidence demystified, myths versus reality in proving fault. Before we begin, please remember this video is for educational purposes only. It does not provide legal advice, and for guidance on your specific situation, you should consult a licensed attorney. One common myth is that victims only need a police report to prove fault in a semi-truck accident. In reality, successful cases often require a wide range of evidence, from driver logs and maintenance records to witness statements and black box data. Another myth is that trucking companies will freely hand over all the evidence. The truth is, companies and insurers often fight to limit access, which is why victims need strong legal representation to secure critical documents before they disappear. Some people also believe that evidence collection ends at the crash scene. In fact, ongoing investigation matters. Medical records, expert testimony, and even company hiring and training files can strengthen a victim's claim and increase the chances of fair compensation. Understanding the reality of evidence in truck accident cases is essential. It ensures victims know what to collect, how to preserve it, and why myths about simple proof can leave them unprepared. Thanks for listening to LawSnoop, where we bust legal myths and bring clarity to complex issues. Be sure to join us for more episodes as we continue uncovering the truths behind the law. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Every case is unique, so always seek advice from a licensed attorney about your specific situation.